You smell amazing. I'm Lydia, and this is Jack, my business partner and husband, and this is KMS Beyond Hair. Today on Jack's hair, we're going to do a little bit of a restyle because we're going to go quite a bit shorter, but we're going to really accentuate and bring out the natural texture and wave in the hair. What do you think are real must-haves for a healthy, happy salon team?
Finding a team that you love to work with is probably the most important thing, isn't it, in the salon, wouldn't you agree? It affects like how well you gel in terms of being creative, but it also how well you gel when people come through the door and just the atmosphere.
I think the thing is, everyone's unique, everyone's an individual, and you need to celebrate and appreciate that.
You know, people are passionate about lots of different things, and I think you're right, it's trying to find what people love and you know, some people want to be doing photo shoots and stage work and loads of education, but then you have other people that just genuinely want to come in and do a really good job and they love their clients, but then they want to go home and have that balance. It's something that I've learned from owning a salon, that it's so important to try and recognize what people love and then try and work with them and understand that not everyone's like you. We watched that Alex Ferguson documentary, and you know, that's someone who was so incredibly successful for so many years consistently. He treated everyone like an individual and he learned about what their needs were and how to get the best out of them. Then it goes much deeper than just going, well, this is the way that I do things and you're gonna follow. It's like, no, this is kind of our philosophies, but I'm also gonna speak to you individually as a person and figure out what inspires you and what your dreams are.
Where do you see us heading in the future? Like, what's your dream?
It's got to be my dream to leave a legacy like Trevor Sorby or Brooks and Brooks and those amazing, incredible, inspirational hairdressers and educate the next generation of hairdressers. And that's my goal, but I'm pretty sure that's your goal as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's the thing is for Jack and the Wolfe to be a name that people still find relevant in years to come. So now I'm going to style your hair with a little bit of the curl up wave foam so that we can really accentuate your natural wave. Are there any trends that you really don't want to see make a comeback this year?
I don't think there's any trends I don't want to see make a comeback, but I was thinking my next haircut has got to be that short 90s spiky haircut with like the shoe shine blonde tips. I think that's about time that made a comeback. So I think that's come back around. I think that's going to be my next hairstyle. Lush. Yeah. What about you?
I don't think there's anything that's a no-go for me. I love how hair's about embracing your individuality and really kind of showing the world who you are. And I think if you have the confidence to rock it, then there's no limits. Go for it.
Yeah, totally.
So I'm just going to diffuse dry this now. And last but not least, I'm going to finish the look with Hair Play Playable Texture. It's a styling product and a finishing product, so you can use it on wet or dry hair. And it's remoldable, which is probably the best thing about it. When you create styles with it, you can mess with them and play with them and reactivate the product throughout the day to give you that extra texture and height and volume. Are you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm so glad we do extensions. No, I love it, thank you. I love it.
Good, you look amazing. You always look amazing, but you look extra amazing. I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Jack. To check out other episodes and lots more inspiring hair videos, head over to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.